Angry woman destroys beauty salon with sledgehammer. Let's check this out. Alright, Night Riders. So, apparently, there's an angry woman who destroyed a beauty salon. Alright, let me read you the whole title. The whole thing is called Angry Woman Destroys Beauty Salon with Sledgehammer because she allegedly didn't like how her hair was done. Alright. Woo. The reasoning that people need nowadays. Alright. Without further ado, let's check this out. Who the fuck she get a sledgehammer from? At least she waited for the other lady to get up and move. She's She's Chinese? I couldn't tell. Yo, if she really did all this just because she ain't like how her hair was done, that's real fucked up. It's even more fucked up that people letting this shit happen. Yes, I understand that she has a sledgehammer, but I mean, come on. Like, at least one woman tried, and she grabbed the sledgehammer and she got in her way. You get one person. You get one person to grab. If you got one person that grabbed her and that's holding the sledgehammer, wouldn't it be smart for another person to come and help while somebody got their hands on the sledgehammer? But that's just me. I'm just saying. Like I said, I understand she has a sledgehammer. It's a fucking sledgehammer. I get it. But the $1 million question is, where the fuck did she get a sledgehammer from? Oh man. Alright, I mean, I guess that's all the reasoning she needs to destroy the place. Night Riders, post your comments down below. Let me know what you thought of this lady destroying the beauty salon because allegedly because she didn't like how her hair was done. Matter of fact, to my female Night Riders, I want to know what y'all would have did if y'all was in that situation. Y'all in the beauty salon getting your hair done, did it. Yes, I said hair done, did it. And this lady flips out and she magically has a sledgehammer and starts destroying the place. What would you do? If you would run, be honest. State that you would run. I can't blame you. It's a fucking sledgehammer. So I want to know what y'all would have did. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time checking out me or the channel, join me and my fellow Night Riders as we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers by hitting the subscribe button down below. Fellow Night Riders, continue doing what you're doing as you like, comment, and share. Also down below in the description box excuse me, are links to my social networks. So if you have a requested video, that's the best place to send it to. Alright, y'all? Till next time. Ride or die, Night Riders. We out.